All right, so when we are multiplying, do you remember what it means though? Of, but also, can you put them in a rectangle? When we multiply, I think you're so used to doing it in your head, you forgot how to do it this way. What did we say? 5 times 3?
6
Oh, 6 times 3. Okay, so make that rectangle. Show me the side that says 3. Yep, show me the side that says 6. And that's because there are 6 of those. So 6 times 3. And the answer...
And 6.
Right, you can line that 6 up to show that it's the same. Yep. Okay.
This isn't the same.
Put them in tight. It should be pretty close. So the answer is what is on the inside, the area of it. And if you don't know what it is, you can line them up in a row and put some 10s and whatever else is left.
I'll show you. Sorry, it's a little crooked.
That's all right. So if she doesn't know what 6 times 3 is, and if she doesn't know how to count by 3s, and if she doesn't know how to add, then she can line up. See, we have 3, 6, 9, and it's 1 less than the 10.
This is 18.
And then, so now we have a 10 and an 8. So 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, ready for some big ones, right? First, get out 10 rods. Okay, put them together in a rectangle that says...
I need to...
Okay, what does that say?
Says 10 times 10.
All right, so 10 on one side, 10 on the
10.
other. Now here is where it comes in handy to have some, you knew what I was going to say, base 10 100 flats. Can you put it on top of those orange ones to show that it's the same?
I should put the 10s on top of the 100.
No, that'll take longer. Just put it on top. Okay, so it's the same thing. All right, so now put the 10s back in the bin.
Yes, it's a lot easier to do the 100 than 10 10s.
So here we have 10 times 10, right? Now what if I were to say, here we go into the numbers bigger than 10. 10 times 11. Show me that with the Cuisenaire Rods. You already have a 10 times 10 there, so you can just add...
10 times 1.
Right. So show me 10 times 11. Where's the 10 side? Which one? That one. Yep. Where's the 11 side? That side. See, we have 10 across here and one more. That's 11.
A little
And that
baby
side's
one.
10. So what is 10 times 11?
110.
Yep. Easy peasy. 110. Okay. How about 11 times 11?
We have 10 times 11 right now.
Yep. But we want
And
11 on this side instead of 10. Okay, and now we have a little space. We have to fill that in.
We just have to fill in a little baby.
All right, so we have 11 on this side, 11 on that side. So what is 11 times 11?
121.
Yep, 121. Okay, now how about 12 times 13?
Let's see, 12 times 12.
Well, you don't have to do it in your head. You can do it with the rods. So now you have 12 on one side, but you have 10 on the other. So what do you need there?
I have what? No,
You have
12.
12 by 10. We want 12 by 13. So what can you put right here? Because we need this to extend 3 more. You could put a bunch of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3s, but it's easier to do what you're just about to do. Okay, And then you have to fill in the space here. You could use little ones or twos. And Zoe chose to use 2 3s.
I think green goes better with orange and blue.
Okay. So, what is the answer to 12 times 13?
150 plus 7, and I'll show you 3 and 3.
Wait, where'd you get 7? This one wasn't in our little square, or our big square, I mean. He was in the 11 times 11 square.
Oh.
Oh.
6. I'll show you, because 3 and 3 is 6, so I'll just trade these 3s for 6. So 156.
Good. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you make up the next one?
14 times 16.
Okay, nice and big. 14 times 16. There's 14 on one side. And you could put a bunch of 6 rods, or you could make it easier. She's going to grab 6 10s.
I like these ones better.
Okay.
This is 6, right? Yep.
Okay, so now she has 14 on one side, 6 on the other, but we don't have a rectangle, do we? You have to fill in after she straightens it.
To be perfect.
No, babe. He has to fill in this space here so we can have a rectangle. So this is 6 by 4. And she is going to put 4 6s in there. 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. And now we have a perfect rectangle. So what's the answer to 14 times 16?
100 and 200 and 24.
All right, so you traded the 4 6s for 24, right? Okay.
And I traded the 10 times.
All right, let's do one more. How about 12 times 17?
12 times 17.
Yep.
12. I know I need this.
12. All right, so she did 12 times 17, rectangle, and we turned it around so that we could show what this has to do with this, which is what you probably learned to do in school. So we have 12 times 17. The 84 is that right there. Zoe, can you show that that's 84? Oh, you don't know what I'm looking at, do you? That part right here.
70 and 7 is 14.
No, you don't have to trade them yet. Put them back. So we have 70 plus 14, which is 84, right? Okay, so that is this right here. We did 7 times 12. Here is, this side is 7, and this side is 12. We have 10 and 2. So there's your 7 times 12. Then this square is how much, so? Or this rectangle?
100
And,
20.
okay.
120.
And there's your 120. You multiplied 10 times 12. Most people think they're multiplying 1 times 12. You're not. You're multiplying 10 times 12. So 10 on this side, 12 on this side. And then we add them all together to get our final answer of 204. Move that over.
Mama.
Okay.
Now can I trade these for a 10 and make 100?
In 1 second, I just want to show. We move this over here, and this over here, and this here. Okay. So there is this. You can trade this for 14 because your 2 7s, they're bigger than 9, so you need to move the 1 10 over and a 4 there. So move your 10 over to the 10 spot. That's us carrying or regrouping the 1 10 here and adding it.
80 and 20 is 100, and so I can trade this for this.
And the answer is
204.
204.
There we go.
Just like this. But once you learn this, because you don't know this yet, it's going to make sense to you when I teach it to you, because you will have done so much work with the rods. Okay? Thank you.